Morning, guys. This is going to be a brief one this morning. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Lots of fun things to do when you are being creative and strange in this strange time. So, for example, went camping in the backyard this weekend. You could try that. Try camping in the backyard. Try camping in the living room. Heck, sleep in the kitchen. It's a weird time. Just try something new. Also, there's the art challenge. I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but I'll show a picture of what I did with the art challenge. You're trying to replicate an old art piece by basically setting up things in your own house. And don't put too much time into it. Just try to make something that's a little bit like the picture from some famous painting and show them side by side. Social media has got a bunch of examples out there. So that's what I'm looking for. Some fun stuff to do to keep our interests. So today, I'm not going to have a big long lecture, but what I do want you to do is look into the geography of the Civil War. I'm going to lecture more on this tomorrow, but I want you to get a feel for the lay of the land, literally the lay of the land, how the Civil War is set up in terms of what states are on what sides, what the geography of those states means to the strategies that the two sides take. So what does it matter for Mississippi or Louisiana or Alabama or Virginia? There's an interactive map I'm going to give you a link to. Use that and then use textbook chapters 14 and 15 to answer the questions on the assignment I'm giving you today. I don't expect you to get this all done today, but go ahead and work your way through it. You should have it done before the end of the week, though, because the lectures that are coming in the next couple of days will have a lot of impact on how well you understand that. If I say something about Pennsylvania and you are not sure if Pennsylvania is on the west coast or the east coast, that's going to be a problem for you. Your learning target for this is I can identify the states that fought for the Union and Confederacy, including the border states and the significance of the border states. So your goals for today: number one, log into Schoology and into the Google Classroom, which if you're watching this, you're probably already there. For your individual classes, Civil War Geography assignment. That's your big assignment for the week so far. And like I said, use the interactive map and textbook chapter 14 and 15. It's going to be mostly chapter 15, but there is a spot in chapter 14, especially when it comes to South Carolina. I think that's it for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.